Let's get started installing your Channing HunterExpress ceiling fan. Here are the tools you'll need. Install the ceiling bracket with the washers and wood screws provided in the hardware pack. If you have an existing ceiling fan rated box, then use the machine screws provided with the outlet box. Remove the pre-installed set screw so the downrod can be inserted. Pass all the wires through one horizontal side of the downrod. Hand tighten the downrod until it stops, at least 4 to 5 turns. Tighten the set screw with pliers. Do not hand tighten it. Trim the wires coming from the fan so that 8 inches remains coming from the top of the downrod. Then, strip 3/8 of an inch off the top of the wires. Slide the canopy over the downrod and wires. Place the downrod ball into the slot in the ceiling bracket. When you're connecting the wires, push the bare metal ends of the wires together and place a wire nut over them. Then, twist the wire nut clockwise until it's tight. Give it a gentle pull to make sure none of the wires are loose. You'll need to do this to connect the white grounded wire from the ceiling to the white wire from the fan, the black ungrounded wire from the ceiling to the black wire from the fan, and the grounding wires from the ceiling, the downrod, and the ceiling bracket. The grounding wire from the ceiling will be green, green and yellow striped, or bare copper. If you have a single light switch, cap the blue wire from the fan. If you have a dual light switch, connect the red wire, or the light wire, from the ceiling to the blue wire from the fan. Lift the canopy over the hanging bracket. Make sure the screw holes are aligned. Insert the 2 canopy screws and secure it. To assemble the blades, align the 3 holes in the blades with the 3 blade iron posts. Squeeze the blade and the blade iron post together. Connect the plugs from the fan and the light fixture. Make sure to line up the colored markings on the connectors. Push the connector and excess wire into the hole at the top of the light fixture. Align the pin on the mounting bracket with the notch on the top of the light kit. Gently turn the light fixture clockwise to secure and engage the locking pin. Install the included LED bulbs into the sockets. Press the globe keeper, and finial cap flush against the metal plate. Screw the finial onto the threaded rod. Remove the back of the handheld remote control and insert the included batteries. The remote is already paired to the fan and ready to use. When using the handheld remote, the fan button turns the fan on and off. The light bulb button turns the light on and off. You can adjust the fan speed using the directional buttons. Press and hold the fan button to reverse the ceiling fan direction.